Assalamualaikum. Today I will present my thesis which titled Dematel and Vikor base metal under Neutrosophic environment for renewable energy sources. My name is Siti Aisha bint Abdul Wahab and my supervisor Professor Dr. Muhammad Lazim bin Abdullah. Okay, renewable energy is the form of energy that naturally obtained from the environment and from sources that can be replenished naturally. These include wind energy, biomass energy, biogas energy, hydropower energy, and solar energy. As the energy demand was boosting to population growth, renewable energy has played a significant role in decreasing greenhouse gas emission. Nowadays, the uses of energy increase due to population growth, industrialization, urbanization across the world. The generation of energy using renewable energy may lead to emission of greenhouse gases. In particular, methane, carbon dioxide, sulfur, and nitrous oxide will contribute to climate change. In short, renewable energy brings bad effect to environment. Moreover, as the sources of renewable energy finish, it cannot be restored. So here is objective of this study. First, to determine the causes and effect criteria of managing renewable energy sources using subjective and objective Dematel method. Second, to find the most suitable alternative for renewable energy sources by using single-value Neutrosophic Vikor method. Yuan Wedo et al. 2019 used the Dematel method for improved Dematel based on both subjective and objective data. Then, same author Yuan Wedo et al. 2019 in another journal used Dematel rule for give better summarization and judgment because the problem before is when using Kelly attribution theory, the knowledge of each expert are always limited to judge. Davidas V et al. 2019 used path analysis to show that two experimental operational transfer path analysis version mesh transfer path analysis better compared to the traditional operational transfer path analysis method. And then Gupta 2018 used Vikor method to give the best significant attribute of service quality among 7 attributes. There are two methods in this study, which is subjective and objective Dematel and single-value Neutrosophic method. Calculation for subjective and objective Dematel. Step 1 and Step 2 shown in this criteria part. Step 3 shown in decision maker part. Step 4 aggregated weight and then aggregated direct relation metric. Then transform aggregated metric into single score or CRISP metric using Microsoft Excel. Next step, fuse the subjective experience. Because of different experience, weight should be used to discount BPA function. And these are results for discounting parameter for 5 experts. MIG is a final influence degree for criteria to criteria, but this only reflects for one personal view. So it is necessary to make combination for our expert by using this hamster rule. Determine partial regression coefficient between criteria 1 in path analysis set, and these are their results. Then construct t-statistic to test the result. Use confidence coefficient mu 0.01, t 0.01, where 63.657. Clearly, we see t1, t71, t91 are greater than t 0.01. So the partial regression coefficient can pass the test. Is believed that the influence relation clearly exists in those criteria, and then t21 and t41 were different from T1, 371, and T91. So the influence criteria set should be updated by criteria C, criteria 7, criteria 8. Table 4.1c is question result of assessment. Table 4.17 in first column, the direct influence degree were calculated by this equation, OIJ. The partial regression coefficient for other criteria are similarly determined. Whose selection of two criteria cannot pass the test are marked with underline. And then construct direct influence degree using this formula, and the underline value set to 0. Combine subjective and objective Dematel with B0 with using this formula B0 and B4. Calculate Hij as this example. I use H49 and get this. Similarly, each direct influence degree can be transferred into BPA function that are listed in table 4.19. With help of Dematel rule, combine objective and subjective Dematel using this formula. Final initial direct relation metric construct as this sketching. Summation of row and column from metric initial direct relation metric, and then normalize initial direct relation metric using this formula equation, and get this. Using Microsoft Excel, we find total relation metric inverse, and get total relation metric by time as with inverse. Sum of row and column for total relation metric, and this result for Dematel. For Vikor, it is the result from the questionnaire. Step 1 alternative path, and then aggregated direct relation metric, results form to CRISP metric, find subjective and objective weight, find weight. This result for positive and negative ideal solution. Result S, R, and Q. Check the condition whether it is pass or not. Condition 1. Since alternative 2 not fulfill the condition 1, test again with another alternative. We find that alternative 3 more than 1 over 3, so that 3 is the least number to fulfill condition. Hence, condition 2 is fulfilled. Here is actual ranking. So criteria 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are causes grow R minus D positive, while criteria 1, criteria 3 are D negative. We found that public acceptance criteria 7 has the highest R minus D score, while the smaller value is criteria 1. But criteria 1 are the highest R plus D score. It should be relatively important criteria for renewable energy. Single value Neutrosophic vehicle only use the causal criteria, which are criteria 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, because only the causal criteria could straight affect the use of renewable energy sources. Based on table 4.39, we can see biogas, biomass, hydro are rank 1 because there's this alternative not fulfilling the condition 1, so the highest rank has 3 alternative. For conclusion, two methods are involved. Criteria 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are the main causes that influence the renewable energy sources. Biogas, biomass, and hydro energy system are 3 most suitable renewable energy sources alternative. Here is main references. Thank you. That's all from me.